sa likod namin. Kasi nagmamadali. So, yun siya. Laki-laking niya. Nagmamadali siya. Yun nasa likod na namin. It's a beautiful day. Good morning. It's a beautiful day of Saturday. It's March 29th and we're heading to Grand Prairie. It's the last weekend. It's the last weekend of spring break. So mamadali siya.
Scale siya dito.
Oh.
Scale pa dyan. Hindi ka dumaan dyan eh.
May stoplight. So, as I was saying, so it's the last weekend of spring break and we're planning to buy some groceries in Costco. So, we usually buy their Kuya Asher's baon. So, ayan, chicken strips, fries, dumplings, bread. Those are our staples. So, see you at Costco, everybody. Na aking Optimus Prize. Hi, Papang. Eating Timbits. Hi, Crasher. Sleeping Crasher. Optimus Prime in our background. Autobots. Go, Autobot. Okay, see you there. So this is my look. Wearing my favorite sleeves from Lululemon from thrift store. Repair ba yan? Siyempre, para ma-ROI na natin to. Sinuot ko na rin. Kahit na hindi na masyadong malamig. Malamig pa rin naman. Winter pa din naman. Guys. Kanina malamig, in fairness. -5 nung umalis kami. So, yeah. I got this pala sa Lone Star. Nanalo kasi ako ng gift certificate from Tansy and nabili ko sa aking gift certificate Columbia titanium jacket. Hindi ko alam ano pala siya. Snow ano tawag dito? Pang sports talaga to. Pero pwede na naman din siguro pang casual. So, pwede na. Hindi naman kasi kami madalas hindi naman kami talaga nag-snowboard or ski. So, siguro ito yung magiging dahilan para kami, powder king. Tsura niya. Sabi niya, pagsabi mo dyan. Sa tagal-tagal namin sa Chetwick, ako never pa ako nag-powder king. Ewan ko lang siya. Nag-powder king ka na ba? Hindi pa.
May powder.
Hanggang baby powder lang kami. Ako na-inspire ako sa mga taong nagpa-powder king eh. Kaya sa'yo, shoutout sa'yo. Alam mo na kung sino ka. Tago na lang sa pangalang Rose Ann. Galing na nun, grabe. Nakaka-inspire yung mga taong magagaling sa sports. Yan. Kaya, to Rose Ann Fontaine, shout out to you. Ay, nakapagpas na kami ng isang kotse, kaya wala na sa likod namin si Optimus Prime. So, ayan.
Noon
hello to my Miggy Montenegro. Do you want some coffee for me? So it's already 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And we're here in Beaver Lodge. The road of Beaver Lodge. The gas price here is $1.59. So, guys, pagas na kayo. At ito na yung famous Beaver. Yes, Beaver Lodge. Yan, ang Beaver ng Beaver Lodge. Look how enormous that one. Yeah. Look, Raphael! There's a beaver near Granbury. Actually, we're in Granbury. Ito yung Dinosaur Museum here in Granbury. The Philip J. Curie Dinosaur Museum. So, malapit na kami. Here. Granbury.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
Wow, we're here now in Takara Ramen. So, mag-wash hands na si Paeng. Kami na lang. Kami na mag-wash ng hands. Yung chan mo. May nakita ako. There's a batosai in the house. A batosai. Is that a batosai? So this is our favorite place here in Granbury, where we eat our lunch. Oh! Daddy, umalis na yung bata. There's a gift shop right there. It's a guaranteed must-visit place here in Granbury. We love going here and eating our lunch. Ramen, takoyaki, gyoza, name it. You're gonna love it. Okay, see you there. See you there. Takara Ramen, baka naman.
Sarap na ramen.
So we ordered gyoza, takoyaki, and green salad. Seaweed salad. Seaweed.
Tikman natin ang gyoza.
Yes. Tikman natin yung green salad. Seaweed salad. May kitikim na ako. Can I try?
Papaya.
Ay, mainit. Takoyaki. Seaweed is really good. Seaweed salad. I'm gonna try this. Gyoza. Flat gyoza. It's good. Tapat na sa ang kungka. Kita ba ako?
Kitang-kita ka.
Ang sarap ng gyoza.
Yan siya.
Gusto naman yung kanin dyan nakasando.
Laki ng muscle mo.
Seaweed salad. Bulag pa more. And takoyaki. Yan ang kanyang order ng paramiso. Loobo pa. Ang hangin. Sa akin is tawag dito? Chiyo?
Yoyo.
Shoyo. Shoyo.
Over here.
Ayan na. kay Kuya Asher is tonkatsu miso. Sarap yan. Hati kami ni Pai. Let's try. Very good. Pork. We are done. Ubus na ang food namin. Tulala na yung isa dyan. Pagkain ni Paeng, pinaubos. Oh, school bus. Excuse me, I just burped. Grabe. Busog ako sa aming pagkain, ng aming lunch. Just finished here at Takara Ramen.
Andiyan ba yung bonnet ko?
What bonnet? Yeah, nakay Ash. Yan ang Takara Ramen dito sa Grand Prairie. And may nakita akong magko-concert here. The Voice and Laughter Canada Tour 2025 here in Grand Prairie. So that's going to be on Sunday, May 18, 2025. The ticket price, VIP 105, Gen Ad is A85. So that is Mitoy, Yonting, Gladys, Chuchay, saka si Petit. Okay, let's go. Punta na kami sa aming pupuntahan. So, ayun na nga. At nagpunta na kami sa Costco. At ito, nag-check kami ng mga prices ng mga laptop and iPads. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Honey, citron, ginger. That's what I like. So, we're done with our monthly, quarterly grocery here in Costco. So, yun lang. Mabilis lang. Buti na lang maaraw pa. So, masarap mag-shopping kapag araw-araw pa. Habang araw, so, ang paggabi ay alas 8 pa. I mean, magdidilim kapag anong oras. So, yun lang for today's gala. May nakita ako kanina. Hindi na marunong umiti. So, hindi rin ako nangiti. Hindi na para So, yun lang. Uwi na kami. Bye. Nag-isubay sinasabi ko kanina. Ang dami kong pinutol eh. Masaway kasi ako. Anyhow, back to the road na tayo. Pauwi na tayo sa Chatwin. Selfie-selfie din pag may time. Kami. Wow. Look at our sunset here. It's so pretty. The clouds are full. Looks like it's going to rain or snow. But it's alright. Springtime already. I mean, spring season. Look at the sunset. It's already 7:30. 7:35 to be exact. But the day are getting longer. Days are getting longer. Look at that, Raphael. It's so pretty. Wait, burp. 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 Yucky! Yucky! Yucky burp. Ang lasa.
Stratosphere.
Stratosphere. Ganda, no? Parang painting lang. Kikita niyo ba yan? Nakikita ko.
Cumulus.
Sobrang ganda sa personal. Grabe. Thank you for watching my vlog. See you again on the next one. Bye!